In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Milanote for content planning 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll have a simple, repeatable system that keeps your ideas organized from spark to publish. First, open Milanote and create a new board. Click New Board and give it a clear name like Video Planning System. This board is your central workspace, the place where every idea, draft, asset, and status lives. Think of it as your command center for content. Next, set up a clean 5-column workflow. Keep it simple so it's fast to use. Start with ideas. This is where you'll drop quick thoughts for short videos, potential titles, and strong hooks for the first 3 seconds. Capture anything that feels promising without overthinking it. Then add a plan column. Here, expand the best ideas into an outline or script, list the key points you must cover, and write the call to action so you never forget your what next moment. After that, create a create column. Use it to store filming notes, a short shot list, and any assets you'll need like music or B-roll. The fourth column is edit. Add an editing checklist and reminders for effects, captions, and cuts so every video gets the same treatment. Finally, set up publish. Track your upload date, the platform you're targeting, and the status, whether it's scheduled or already live. Now, make one card for each video. One idea equals one card, which keeps everything tidy and easy to move. Inside the card, add the working title, the goal for the video, whether that's views, sales, or engagement, the script or key bullet points, and any notes. Keeping these pieces together helps you pick up where you left off without digging around. As you work, simply drag each card from ideas to plan, then to create, edit, and finally publish. This left to right flow gives you a visual snapshot of progress at a glance and prevents ideas from getting stuck. Add links and assets directly to the board or into the relevant card. Paste in your cloud storage links, reference videos you want to emulate, and thumbnail drafts. Keeping everything in one place reduces context switching and saves time when you're ready to shoot or edit. Most importantly, keep it minimal. Don't overcomplicate the board. Only include elements you actually use and prune anything that adds friction. This streamlined approach makes the system sustainable so you'll return to it day after day. That's it, your Milanote content planning system set up and ready to go.